How to fix Messenger Auto Logout problem. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix Messenger Auto Logout problem. So whenever you try to open Messenger and it automatically logs you out, then in that case first what you need to do is just make sure you have connected your Facebook with the same account in which you are using currently on Messenger. So in this case I'm using this account on my Messenger, so you must make sure that you have logged into the same account on your Facebook as well. So as you can see now I'm currently logged in with my Facebook account with the same account that I used on Messenger, and I will simply check it out. So it's working for me, and if it's still not working for you, then just head over to your settings on your device and simply scroll all the way down until you find the apps. Simply select it. Now simply search in for the Messenger application or simply locate it. So as you can see I've already located the Messenger application. Now scroll all the way down and click on storage and simply clear all the cache and clear all the data, and you may have to re-log in with your login credentials and simply try to reopen the Messenger application. And if it's still not working for some reason, then there might be a problem related to the box and the application itself. So you must just head over to your Play Store for the final time and simply search in for Messenger and update the Messenger to its latest version possible if there's any update available. So as you can see currently I've already updated, so it's not showing any update for me and it's already working, and my Messenger is also already working. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.